Hello, Sabaidi, Namaste, welcome to Heeru and Prateek's cooking show. So today we are gonna make cake. Yes guys, today we are gonna make cake that is very easy. Trust me, it's really very easy and with very few ingredients. Yeah. So I would recommend you to try this cake because it's very easy and very quick to make, and we will use very few ingredients in this cake, and it's healthy too, and this cake is vegetarian too. Okay, so let's get started. So I have one pan. In this I will mix my all dry ingredients. I have taken wheat flour, whole wheat flour. I have not taken maida. This is whole wheat flour, and I have taken this one measuring. You can take any cup as a measuring size. So we will take one cup wheat flour. I have this baking soda with me and one big spoon, and we will take almost 75% of this spoon of baking soda, and we have baking powder also with us. We will fill this spoon full with baking powder, and we will put this baking powder in this wheat flour. Now we are gonna mix this dry ingredients. Only 3 ingredients are required as of now, and I have mixed only 3 ingredients. Mix it well so that all the ingredients are mixed properly. So we are going to keep this dry ingredients aside for a while, and I am taking another bowl, and in this another bowl the same measuring cup I will take, and I have put this brown sugar, almost 75% of this cup, which means if you want to have more sugar you can take more, but I guess this will be enough. If you wish to put white sugar you can put, but I am making it healthy, so I am using brown sugar. After adding brown sugar, I will put milk. You can take milk at room temperature, not too hot, not too cold, somewhat half a cup of milk. We'll see if we'll require more milk, we will add more milk. As of now, just a half a cup of this milk, and we'll mix it for few seconds, not too much, just for few seconds. In this I have this melted ghee. You can put melted butter or anything you want to put it in your substitute of ghee or butter if you prefer. So I am adding almost similar half a cup of melted ghee in this wet ingredient bowl. I have added this all butter in this. So I have added 3 ingredients in this, and now we will add for flavor. I have this jasmine flavored essence. If you wish you can add vanilla essence also, or any of your favorite essence. I am adding 1 spoon of jasmine flavored essence and a little few drops more, and we are gonna mix all these 4 ingredients, and that's it guys. So I have just put all the ingredients together and mix it for just very few minutes, not 1 minute even. Just mixed it, and now I am adding this dry wheat flour ingredient into this mixture, and we will mix it nicely. Till then I have this vessel in which I am going to make my cake. You can make it in any tin, anything. So I have greased it with ghee and put a dusted flour also on this, and till then I am mixing this both dry and wet ingredients together. We don't need to mix it for too long, sorry. So I'm just quick mix. Make sure you are mixing this in one direction only, because we don't do it like this. We always do like this, only one direction. And I think our all lumps are out now. So batter is ready to be poured in the cake tin. So this batter is ready to put in the cake tin. So now what we can do, if you want to add tutti frutti, or if you want to add pineapple bites in this, or anything you want to add in this, you can add into this mixture. But right now I don't have anything, so I will add only chocolate chips. So I will add chocolate chips on top of it. You can add walnuts also. I have made the same with walnut cake. So I am adding all this batter into our tin, our pan in which we are gonna make cake. Done. So if you wish to add walnuts or anything you want, you can add it, and just tap a little bit so that all the cake is set. And now this is ready to go in our cooker. So I have this pan, this vessel to steam our cake. So I have preheated this pan for 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna add this cake batter into this for another 30 minutes, and I will cover it and keep it for 30 minutes, and let's check it after 30 minutes.